Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's episode we're with Kenny, my lovely Kenwood chef. He's my friend in the kitchen because I'm Billy No Mates. No, but really, I really like my Kenwood, it's great in the kitchen. And today I'm going to be attaching on the grater and slicer. It comes in basically these components here, and we've got 4 different slicing and grating attachments. The first thing that we need to do is we need to take off this front bit. Okay, so you pull back the lever like this. Just get my hand around, and then you pull this off. Just pull this off the front like that. Then we take this part, which is the chamber part. It has a little divot here, which will correspond with the divot inside here. So then we just put this through here, and what we also need to do is pull back the lever again at the bottom just to release the mechanism and allow the attachment to go in and lock. So that's nicely locked in place now. Okay, so then into this chamber here, to this part of the chamber, we need to put one of the grating attachments. Now they all are numbered, which is nice of manufacturers. This is number 1. Which is a fine grate. You can just about see that, I think, the number 1 on there. This is number 2, which is a coarse grate. And then you've got number 3, there it is, yep, number 3. And that is a fine slice. And then you've got number 4, which is a thick slice. So the first 2 grating ones are good for cheese, nuts, chocolate, all that sort of thing, and 3 and 4 are very good for vegetables and apples and that sort of thing. So we'll just pop one in. This is it's got a little divot here. So once you just push it in, you just feel around until it locks into place like so. And then you take the front bit, this bit here, and then you also just feel around until it slides on there and locks in place. And now this is the plunger. So we'll just grate some cheese. So that plunger goes into there at the top there. I'll just move these out of the way. We'll just grate some cheese. Now I'm not going to subject you to the noise of the Kenwood because it is an old beast. So it does tend to make quite a lot of noise. So I'm just going to put it on and then show the grating process. Okay, so as you can see, that produces a lovely fine grated cheese, and now we'll just put in the other grater, see what that comes out like, and then we'll use the slicer. It's really great because you can just go from one procedure to the next and just keep changing the barrel and do a lot of different processes all at once, grating and cutting. I really like it. Okay, so now we'll do the coarse one. So you can see the difference there. This one is really nice and fine. This one is quite coarse. So yeah, it's pretty good. Now we'll get on to slicing, so we can have a look at the slicing. Okay, so now we'll do the slicer. So I'm going to do the thin slice first. Just pop that in there, the thin slicer, and put on the front, like so. I've got a couple of onions here, and I've got one onion that I haven't even cut in half, and then I've got another onion which I have cut in half, so we'll put those through. Okay, so that's the nice thin slice. I'll make light work of that. It's nice and thin too. And now we just do the thick slice and out. It's easy just to put the other one in now because you're using the same vegetable. And then pop this one in. Put that the front. Ooh. Ooh, eyes are watering. Okay, so I made light work of that. That was really quick, nice and easy. So yeah, really cool. I love my Kenwood. Okay, so let's look at what we have. We've got some nice thin grated cheese, some nice thick grated cheese. You got the thick layers of the onion on the top here, which came out perfectly, and then you got the really thin, wispy ones underneath, which is the thin one. So yeah, worked really well. It's such a handy tool in the kitchen, especially if you're doing a bulk cook. You don't want to stand there chopping onions. Just chuck them in there and you're good to go. Well, I do hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, give me a thumbs up, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you've got any tips that you'd like to know about Kenwood, leave me a comment below and I'll see if I can help. So yeah, have a great day. Thanks very much for watching and bye bye for now. See you soon.